Apa kani windmill kadang terikam. Te boleh manding pat siang mani.
Kan tipis no meh manga. Mia ke meh wisna.
Be, kabiang ta.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda ke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki e-materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kraya pi na kabenda ka neat.
Ia ke statue Jong uklur yele akai football bapau Jong ke perthai Lionel Messi kabadan Kolkata on sa Pynkhyllem no hagini ski banwan kini gede ke statue ke bajrong hadu nyo Phut ya ke balatei pendon buram yo Messi Mitcham snam hau benai no pra shwabun wan sa Kolkata kini ke statue ke layang mentala san benai bala pendap bante ya kini ke statue tang hapo arpun nyo ski hakapor bu Messi unwan sa India balle yok chat ha Kolkata Hyderabad Mumbai bad Delhi Kajing Shimrai bat Pynkhyllem yang ini statue kedai hadian bagi ladan ki ujor syakatana PWD Jong ke Jela West Bengal makni ke statue ke dan jingma nambar bakam skamba bat tang shube ke air ke bakam jur kalakhi ki bos sarkar ki dang ped dakwe pat ke cakaban penyang yak ni ke statue kaban pin sa na mi ke jingwan Messi hak Kolkata
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.